We just did a new solar heater on this nice home in Ormond Beach. We added a secondary solar heater to this swimming pool to lower the operational cost of their existing heat pump. We're using the free heat from the sun to heat the pool, lowering the heating cost for this customer with a solar pool heating system. We're using solar panels on their western-facing roof, their hot roof every afternoon, to send the water up, heat the pool water for free, no operational costs, using the free heat from the sun. The system has the pump first, the filter, then we tied in between the filter and the existing electric heater to send the water up for the free heat from the solar first before it has to go through the electric heater and then back to the pool. The system we installed is fully automatic with temperature controls. Every day when the pump turns on, the solar wakes up. If the roof's hot, the pool's cold, the solar will automatically turn itself on and start heating the pool without the customer having to turn any valves or worry about if it's a sunny day or not.